Hi guys, so in this video we will learn about inserting data in database through our C# application. So at first I am going to create a database. So there I could store my data and I am naming it as db_dummy. This is my database name, and inside it I am creating a table. And I am name it db_dummy, and I am putting just 3 fields inside it. ID, name and qualification. So I am successfully create my table. Let's check it. Here is my table. So now I have to create C# project for it. And name it insert. Here is my C# project. So what I need is to take 3 text boxes, 3 labels, and a button to pass an event. So now I will change the label name. I'll name it as ID. Its name, it should be qualification. Now I have also changed the name of text boxes. So it is necessary if you want to give somehow professional look in your coding. And also change the button's name, button insert. Yes. Now at first I will add the SQL library using system.data.sql client. Now inside my class, here is, I will add 2 different classes of SQL, namely SQL Command, and I am creating an instance of it as CMD, also SQL connection. Its name is CON. And inside my public form, inside my form, when my component is initialized, I will add a query, connect my database query, SQL connection. I am writing a code for connecting my database. So the code is data source is equal to your server name, mine is local, and initial catalog, your database name, and security equal to true. If you want to check that your connection is valid or not, just go on tools, connect to database, write here your server name and select your database from there. There should be your database, and check test connection. If this option is arrived, so it's mean your database successfully connected. This is for just checking that if you connect your database or not, by the way. So inside my button I will add connection open, connection close, and here I will write a query inside this string. The query for insert into your table name and then your column names. And here I will pass my data. So I will add a SQL Command Constructor here, and pass the two parameters. The first parameter will be your query and the second parameter will be your database connection. So after this I have to add values there. So for adding the value, what I need is I will write an instance of SQL command and inside it all the parameters and add with values. Here I will give the name for my text box. This will be passed in the SQL server and this is my text box name. So I repeat the process for two more text boxes. Add with value and a and one last time. And then in the last I will add a method execute non-query with cmd. Here I will pass id, name and QA. If all the process is successfully done, then it will give the result through message box successfully inserted. So one thing which I want to describe is that I create my ID as an integer and name as an string and qualification also as a string, and when I pass the value from there it will go as a string. So for this I will need to convert it into integer. For this convert dot integer, what we have to do. So my text id dot text will be goes as an integer in my id column. So let's check. Here I give them written in my name Faraz and my qualification bachelor is, and my data is successfully inserted. Now check in the that there comes a data or not. Yeah, there comes it. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. Bye.